Alright guys, here's the results 6 weeks later after planting Bermuda grass seeds. Still have a few patchy spots, still have weed right in here. I reached out to a YouTuber, Bermuda Grass Central. I'll put the name up. But I did reach out to him to figure out what I could do about those. I still have a few patchy spots, so I'm guessing I'm going to have to put more soil down, topsoil, and plant more seeds. But this is what I have. This is what I have. I have grass. I think I need to water it. I normally water it at night, but I have a brown spot right there. So I think I'm going to probably come out and water it a little bit. But that's what the final results look like. Well, so far. Still a work in progress, but better than what it was. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.